Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to remove the delete customer or any of the links that is available on the edit form of the customer. So if I want to delete login as a customer, delete customer, but currently I want to remove this option, that is delete customer, from this edit form. Okay, because I don't want the admin to delete the customer. Okay, so let's start how to hide or remove this delete customer or a create order or some any of the fields from the edit form of the customer. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel, and yeah, let's go for it. So here we need to create a new extension, so I will copy this. That will save the time. So let's create extension. I think it needs only 2 3 files. Just paste it, rename it. So this is customer edit, customer edit. Okay, we need only etc. UI we don't required. So etc we have module.xml. So we will add customer edit. So here I'm going to add customer edit. Got it. Next we have to go with the registration.php. So I'm going to add customer edit. Save. Next we will go with view, admin html, UI component, and in the UI component we need product customer form.xml, right? Remove it. So in the view we need customer form dot sorry customer form dot xml. In the UI component I'm going to paste it. So here I have mentioned that item, that is buttons, which item delete, config type array, and item name should be component disabled. That should be true. Okay, if you save it, go and run it from the terminal. Let's go to this one, run the commands so that install register this extension. Just to delete this, we don't require this card. These are the commands. Okay, let's write compile. Next we have to create. Then we need to add the permissions. See what's going to happen. See that delete customer option is hidden, right? So whatever option you want to hide, you can hide it accordingly, right? So I think that's all. So I hope you like the video. If you are stuck, if you have facing such kind of problem, or you have a task something like this, so please do comment that this video help you a lot to solving your issue. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Those who want to actually learn the Magento and any other of my tutorials. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.